So welcome to Fancy Squad. We got the Monte Carlo and the STI.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have a little update on the STI. I purchased the car a few months back, and it has the OEM Plus dual subs in the car, and I'll show you. And the strangest thing happened. Here, I'm going to go ahead and show you. So we got one sub right here. We got the other sub right here. Strangest thing happened. I was driving the car a few months back. I actually did a upload on the horn. We actually wound up blowing a fuse on the horn, but what I didn't realize until afterwards was the the subs were not working. And I was like, what is going on? So I am not an audio guy by any means. You know, I can make a car run, I can make the car stop, but when it comes to audio equipment, I have no idea what I'm doing. So, long story short, you know, I got a hold of my buddy Debo D. Shout out Debo D. And basically he had me just kind of run, you know, the wires up to the engine bay and take a look and see if there was any blown fuses. No blown fuses. So the more and more I started messing around with it, I was like, it's got to be something more to it. But what exactly it is, I wasn't sure. So I went ahead and tested for power. I had power from the beginning of the car all the way back to the subs. Everything was showing power. You know, it's got a Rockford Fosgate Amp. So this 2017 STI has a Rockford Fosgate Amp. The model number, it's a Punch. Rockford Fosgate Punch. I believe it's the PBR 300X2. There it is right there. So I went ahead and I was like, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and let me go ahead and shop around, see if I can find another amp just to kind of see what was going on. So lo and behold, I'll show you what the car looks like right now. Ripped some things up, went ahead and I didn't take the seat out, but I basically took the seat out. I'll show you right here. So there are 4 bolts holding the seat in right here. There's one here, 2 in the back. Don't worry, this looks stretched, it's not. And I basically flipped the seat up. This is the brand new Rockford Fosgate amp. Basically all I did, this kit, this OEM Plus kit, is plug and play. You literally don't have to do anything other than follow the instructions and running the wire. This is the stock Starlink setup right here, and this is the old amp. So basically all I did was take everything out of this old amp, put it right in here, and lo and behold, as soon as I went and turned the key, boom, we had the boom booms again. So it turns out we actually had a bad amp. If you guys have any questions, you know, definitely feel free to leave them down in the comment box. But thanks again. So that wraps up a nice little quick video here in DeFonte's garage. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite ride? Is it the Monte Carlo? Is it the STI? Is it the Duster? Thanks again, guys. Take it easy.
Welcome to Fancy Squad. We're all done, and we're all done, and we're all done with that Monte STI, and can we start that?
Can you say like, comment, and subscribe?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Say thank you.
Thank you.